Hi everyone, welcome back to M.F.R's Celtic Wolf Ranch. Today we are with one of our silkies.
Pongo.
Sorry, the only silkie we have.
I was about to correct you on that. Good job. Take a bunny tail.
She's holding her. Sorry.
Indigestion.
Fluffy tail.
To get used to it.
Look, it's so fluffy.
Our hands.
It's like a bunny tail. I can't help it. It's fluffy.
Because we want to put this one
And 3 others.
in show.
Yeah.
Um,
Now you're just chilling out, huh, buddy? He or she got so big.
and the way for them to get used to our hands is to take them out of the mesh
And hold them like this.
by hand and then let them go. They should be used to our hands.
Soon.
Yes, soon. And when they get older, they should be fine. And since they are this small, we can actually practice
Stretching out their wings and touching them.
and then laying them on their side and putting our fingers.
Under them.
Yep.
I'm just letting her feathers glide through my fingers.
I'm hoping she stays fluffy.
She will. I just hope she don't poop on me.
I'm also hoping her floof on her head gets bigger.
Don't mess with her floof. Let it look like a mohawk.
So we are gonna put the big ladies away
Oh look! I put them
on their porch and let the little ones loose.
for a bit.
Yeah, so they can stretch their legs and wings. They've been in the mesh for a couple days. It's time for them to stretch and run around.
And this is what she means by on their side.
Yep, and by fingers, I mean you take these 3, you put them like that.
In between their legs.
Yep, to show them off to the judge. So we are starting them off this young so they are used to it, which is
See?
great.
He looks like a swan at this point.
The only thing he's missing, Tiffy, is the web feet.
I know. And the thing across the face.
And
The
their
orange
beak. And the height.
A chick's home. Shush! Good girl. Quiet. Sadie Pie. No.
I didn't sleep very well last night. My neck hurts.
Neither did I.
I had my sister put some muscle rub on my neck.
Oh, you'll never believe what we had to do almost late at night while we were in our pajamas.
We did do that. Yeah, we had to go
Run after one of our dogs that somehow got loose, and we don't know how she got loose.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Sadie, stop.
This rock is actually very uncomfortable
Then why don't you sit on the big one?
because I couldn't see the chicken. All right, we should put these big ladies on the
Away.
porch and let the little ones roam.
Hi, Patrick.
Hey, Pat. The stuff that looks like grass is actually weeds from our garden. Yes, we did our garden finally. I believe we're planting today.
Hi, you birdie wedge.
We did have some green beans that dried up last year and then fall off the vine. And I think our dad rototilled them into the dirt, so we might get beans next year. There's glass in there?
Yeah, I just pulled it out.
Oh, great.
There's glass in here. We don't allow that in our chicken coop.
We're out in our yard.
Yeah.
You might have to open up the other door, too.
No, I'm just gonna...
Yeah, well, I can't see because of the camera.
It's a biscuit to open this and close it.
Yeah, well, it's
No.
for the views, Tiff.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Go on now. Go on out. No, that way.
Sorry, I didn't realize I had that in the shot.
Go on.
That's 3. Yeah, there's the other one with the mohawk.
There's Purdy.
And there's Purdy.
Shoo, that way. She's like, fluff. Fluffed up. There. That was a disaster. Oh, one of them found a bean. Oh boy.
Big one.
There they are. Aren't they cute? Covered up the holes so they don't get out. Dude, the one that stands out the most is the silky.
Yeah, I know.
And Purdy. The 2 big ones are the ones that stand out the most.
That's probably because they're getting more food than the other
Yeah.
3. Sorry, 4. Okay.
Yeah. They're like, why are you following us? What's that weird thing in your hand? It's a camera, babies. I'm not gonna bother you. I'm just letting you do your own thing.
It's for YouTube and TikTok.
Yes, it is.
And apparently if we go live on TikTok, I get something. I don't remember what it was.
They're following the bugs.
I'm thinking about it, but I don't know.
I just let them run around and do their own thing. Just make sure they don't get out is all I can say. Rocks are making me slip here. Oh, they're in the corner.
Yeah, they put themselves there. I love that movie.
What?
Dirty Dancing.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Nobody puts baby in a corner. Why are you standing on your other sibling? Oh, no, you're waiting. Never mind. Why are you guys coming over to me, huh? Bet you guys are scared of me. Hi, Purdy. You're staring at me.
It's funny that we have one with a mohawk.
We have 2 in Mohawk. We have 2 with afros, I should say. Alright, that's gonna be it for now, y'all. We can't stand here all day and videotape the chickens like we want to. Oh, you be nice, y'all. Alright, don't drop kick each other. Alright, so I'm gonna give my sister the phone. And here we go.